Many Imams recite the Quran in a very fast way during the Taraweeh or Qiyam al-Layl. They also perform ruku and sujood in a fast manner, which makes it difficult for the followers to supplicate properly. Is it allowed to pray in this manner?
It is very common that many of the mosques, because they want to finish the full Quran in the month of Ramadan, in Taraweeh, and they want to make it as short as possible so people finish it, they do recite very fast, and very often you see that they go in the ruku and sujood very fast. And many a time, once I was in one of the mosques, and when the Imam went in the sujood, I went after him. He got up again, went again. I was yet in my full sujood and he was doing a second sujood. Allahu Akbar. So is it right or is it wrong? It's mentioned in Sahih Bukhari, in number 1, in the book of Salah, hadith number 757, that once the Prophet enters the mosque, and there is another man who follows him. He offers the Salah. And after offering Salah, that man, he wishes the Prophet, Assalamu alaikum. The Prophet greets back and says that, go back and pray because you have not prayed. The man goes back and he comes back to the Prophet. The Prophet says, go back and pray, you have not prayed. Again, the person goes for the third time. He prays and he comes back. The Prophet again says, go back and pray, for you have not prayed, for the third time. So the man says, I cannot pray better than this. Oh Prophet, please teach me how to pray. So then the Prophet says that after saying the takbir, you recite while standing in the qiyam as much of the Quran that you know by heart, whatever the Quran you know by heart you recite. Then you bow down, go in your ruku, until you are at ease. And then say, glory be to Allah, Subhanahu bin Nazim. Then stand up straight until you are at ease. Then go in sujood with calmness until you are at ease. And then say, Subhanahu bin Allah, glory be to Allah who is the Most High, thrice. Then get up again until you are at ease. And then continue your prayer like that. That means all, especially your ruku and your sujood. And when you get up from your ruku, and in between the sujood, you should be at ease. You can't go up and down fast. If you do that, it is as though your prayer has not been accepted, as though you have not prayed. So if you pray in this fast manner, Taraweeh, where ruku, sujood, and fast, it is as though you have not prayed. So it is best that you pray slowly, with calmness. And if you really feel that you can't offer 20, then offer 8 rakat, but with peace, with ease, and with calmness. The best is that with peace, ease, and calmness, and long. Taraweeh should be long. It should not be having competition with the other mosques, which we have many times. When the many mosques, they compete, who is going to finish the Taraweeh faster.